this video, I will tell you all the functions of the multimeter, which few people know about. Let's take an ordinary Chinese inexpensive multimeter. You will be amazed by its functionality. Let's analyze the markings on this device. DCV, direct current voltage. ACV, alternating current voltage. Omega, ohm, resistance. DCA, current strength. Bipolar transistor function testing. Continuity testing of wires. Connect the black probe to the COM input. Red is usually to the second connector, but in some cases, to the third. I will tell you more when exactly. When the probes are connected in this way, you can measure ACV, a max of 750 volts. DCV, up to a max of 1000 volts. DCA, up to a max of 200 milliamperes. When the probes are connected this way, you can only DCA, current strength up to a max of 10 amperes. If you do not know the power rating of the device, always start with the highest setting. First, let's measure the voltage of different types of batteries. Since we set the multimeter to 20 volts, we will not be measuring anything above that voltage. The voltage is written on every battery. If the value is slightly lower, it means the battery needs to be charged. If the voltage is very low, it means the battery is no longer working properly. The black probe is negative and the red probe is positive. If you connect them the wrong way around, nothing bad will happen. The device will simply show a negative value with a beep. You can also test a car battery. Now let's check different chargers with different voltages. The charger voltage can only be tested using exposed wires. Usually, it is 5 volts. On chargers like these, the negative contact is usually on the outside, and the positive contact is on the inside. Dear viewers, write in the comments from which country you watch my channel. It will be interesting to read. Always switch to 200 volts when measuring the charging adapter for your safety and the safety of the device. Although this power supply outputs 19.5 volts, it is better to select a value higher than 20 volts on the multimeter. This is already a powerful 48-volt charger for a charging station. This is one of the most dangerous measurements because if you select the wrong setting, you could get an electric shock. You must follow all safety rules and hold both probes in one hand. One of the lesser-known uses of a multimeter is measuring current. Set the multimeter to DCA 10 ampere mode and move the red probe to the third socket. To do this, we make a circuit using a power supply and a 12-volt car light bulb. This level of current should only be measured for a maximum of 15 seconds. After that, the multimeter needs to rest for 10 minutes. You must connect the device in series with the circuit. If you connect it in parallel, as in voltage measurements, it will cause a short circuit. So, the current of the car bulb is 3.45 amps. Now set the multimeter to continuity test mode to identify matching cable ends. Touch one probe to a cable and use the other probe to test all the wires until you hear a beep. Mark the matching wires with a marker or electrical tape. Using the same continuity mode, let's try to find a damaged wire. Touch the probes to both ends of the wire. If you hear a beep, the wire is intact. If there is no sound, the wire is damaged. After locating the break, check again. Yes, the problem was exactly there. In continuity mode, you can also test electric motors. You can also light up LEDs if their voltage is up to 3 volts. In the resistance mode, ohms set to 20,000, you can check spark plugs. The reading should be between 2,000 and 7,000 ohms. If the value is lower or higher, the spark plug is faulty. To test bipolar transistors, set the multimeter to HFE mode. Remove the probes. They are not needed here. Insert the transistor as shown in the video and check whether it is working properly. And finally, a simple but important recommendation. Always turn the multimeter off using the off button. This will help it last much longer. See you next time, and don't forget to watch my other videos.